What's up, everybody? This is Sut from PriceIsKing.com. Let's talk about Orcl today, this morning. What's going on? Orcl is on. It's pretty much been on a rip. Okay, so if you've gotten in on an early days, you're making bank. But here we go. Today we are going to probably break the high, and let's see. It probably has. I believe it has gone over, 133. It's looking like, we're seeing 133s, which is above the 132 high. So what's going on with Orcl? What do you guys think? Well, this whole cloud front is where it's at, where everything is driving AI and the cloud, right? A combination of those two things is what's making Orcl be the front page these days, right? And so when you're looking at what's going on, let's take a look at it from the chart perspective, right? I'm going to go ahead and zoom this out so you guys could see. This is a daily chart, and what we're looking at is pretty much what you see. And if you've watched my previous videos, I talk about how much it's important to look at the 50-day over the 200-day, right? And that actually happened way back right around here, which is in December of last year. When that happened, for many entire year last year, it's been up, right? So if you look at December of 23, it was still up, and it continues to be up. Okay. And so where do we go from here when we're looking at it from a technical perspective, right? Well, today it's going to break the all-time high, and as you can see right here, this was the high, okay? And so it's already broken this, right? So there's really no resistance above this. Above this price line, right? And so what's going to happen, right? It could continue on its way up. I would say, just because of the momentum, the discussions about AI, the discussions about cloud and AI, the orders that it's getting, it's going to continue its ride up, right? At least into the next few months, at least maybe even a year, it's going to continue its way up. So if you have an opportunity where it dips slightly, I would suggest you take a look at it and see if there's possibility to add to your portfolio, right? So right now the high is 132. It's probably going to be around 133, 135. So if it were to ever pull back, it may pull back right around the 113 number. I doubt that it's going to go that low again. You may not even see that. If I were to actually remove this, because that's been an old number, let's see, we got 115, yeah, so you're looking at, even if it goes down, 118 is what we're looking at. And that's what you see, right? If we're looking at the fibs. And then if we were to actually, let me see if this works. Let's see how far it's going to go up. Okay. So we're looking at the 61. Okay, so 169 is the target on its way up. The first leg is going to be 148. And so here's the thing, right? You're looking at these from a technical perspective, right? Anything could happen the next few days, next few months. If they lose an order or if they lose a contract, obviously, things could go the other way, right? But from a technical perspective, on the upward trend, we're going to already break 133, right? So 134 is going to be the upper number where it might try to break. And once it breaks that 134.67, the next leg up is going to be 148. So if you're looking to add, I think right now this, if it pulls back from the 134, maybe slightly to the 130s, that may be an opportunity for you to get in on a long. So keep that in mind, okay? And then if you're talking about, and if I remove all of these fibs, you're talking about, if we're looking at, let me just actually remove all the drawings, and let me just add price. And when I add price, that's going to kind of give you a support resistance area. That's one. And we got another area right around here. That's going to be actually support. So now that it's broke over that 133 mark, and actually let me zoom in right here, right? If you look over here, you will notice it has a lot of support. It's got too much support, in fact. And so what that means is, the only way it's got in the next few weeks, if you're looking to make bank, I think this is a great stock for you to make bank on. All right, so you got a lot of support in these areas now that it's broken 133. All right, and if you look at the news cycles, you keep an eye on the news cycles, you'll see, okay, here we go. Equal weight on Orcl, price target of 135. It's already broken 133, so 135 is going to be pretty easy. Adjust the price target of 165. You see that? Raises price target to 110. That's broken a long time ago. 153. Yeah. 137. 175. Okay, so you see a lot of these discussions already on the upside. Volume is going to get crazy. You'll see when the market opens. This is all being recorded before market open hours today. So when you see this market open, and if you look at the pre-trading, in pre-trading hours, I don't have this actually. I should enable this. But you can see the 133 is where it's averaging all this. Anyways, so this is where we are with Orcl. Let me know what your thoughts are. Happy to look at any other stocks that you feel like that you want me to take a look at. But this is one of those stocks in the next few days, even if you make a few bucks and you want to just kind of day trade and get in and out, there's opportunity for you to kind of take advantage of it while it's hot, while the news cycle is hot, while their orders and business model is working, right? Especially with the cloud and AI. Let me know what your thoughts are. PriceIsKing.com. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. It really helps me with the whole YouTube algorithm, right? So if you can hit that comment and put some sort of suggestion on the comment area where I can go ahead and provide you some details on some additional stocks, I can actually deep dive into it and take a look at other areas, not just technicals, but if you want me to look at where it's been in the past and where it's, trading or whatnot, right? If you were actually take a look at this, right, we actually have a flag, right? You have this one leg going up, then you got this flag. It broke out of the flag on the upside, and so what that means pretty much is it's got a bull cycle right here. If you're looking at the minute by minute, right, market hasn't opened yet. I haven't enabled the pre-market trading. So you look at this yesterday, right? As soon as the market closed, boom, shot up, right? Boom, 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 boom. And it actually went as high as 137 and off closed market hours, right? So that's a good indication that there's room for it to break that 140 mark. All right, people are going to wake up, they're going to realize, they're going to take advantage, and they're going to want to be able to take it right to the next level. At least, short-term traders, if you're in here this is a great stock for you to take advantage of. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any other suggestions I can take a look at. Price is King.